Hip hooray, moo moo, who says that? A big brown cow, so strong and fat. Cows give milk, fresh and sweet, a yummy drink for you and me. Cluck cluck, who could it be? A happy hen lays eggs for me. She pecks the ground and flaps around, laying eggs without a sound. Moo moo, who says that? A big brown cow, so strong and fat. Cows give milk, fresh and sweet, a yummy drink for you and me.
Oink, oink, the pig rolls in mud, sniffing, snorting, having fun.
With a curly tail and a big round nose, he wiggles and wobbles wherever he goes. Baa, baa, a woolly sheep, soft and fluffy, time to sleep. She gives us wool, warm and white, to make soft sweaters snug and tight. Neigh, neigh, a horse runs fast, galloping by as we wave and laugh, pulling carts and running free, a strong smart friend to you and me. Now we know the farmyard crew, cows and chickens, pigs and sheep too. Horses neigh and run so free, sing this song and learn with me. Woof, woof, the farm dog barks, chasing the sheep and guarding the barn. He wags his tail and runs so fast, keeping the farm safe at last. Quack, quack, the duck goes by, flapping her wings as she waddles wide, swimming around in the big blue pond, splashing water all day long. Bleat, bleat, the goat climbs high, jumping on rocks, reaching for the sky, munching on grass, leaves and hay, chewing all the time. Hooray! Cock-a-doodle-doo, the rooster crows, waking the farm when the morning glows. Flapping his wings, standing tall, he wakes us up, one and all. Oink, moo, cluck and neigh, the animals love to play all day. Baa, woof, quack and bray, now we know them, hip hooray.